Okay, just the other day I uploaded a video about this wild badger trimmer slash cutter. And I meant to do a follow-up video talking about how to string the bump head on it and adjust the arms on it to fit tall people better. So that's what this video is about. Now, they send you the Allens, the tools you need, but I have a tool already. So the first thing I'm going to do is loosen this bottom up under here. Alright? You want it loose enough to move freely. Okay. Flip it back over and shift it. Then I tighten it back up. Now I'm going to use their tool to get it started. Take the time to do it right when you're first setting it up. If you have to move it a couple times, so be it. You have to move it a couple times. Better get it where you want it to begin with. So that's what I'm doing. Now, the handle adjustments, they can stay like that. Some people actually like them leaning forward and everything else. But me, I use that as another way of shifting it closer to me. Because I don't want to go too far up there this way, because like I said, I got to allow myself room to be in there, in this area. So I take some of it and I use this. See, I push it back. You still got a good handle there to hold on to. Same thing over here. Push it back. And there you go. Get over here, sample that again. Make sure everything feels good. Because you got to remember when you're using it, it's going to be like this. So you got to get it where you want it. That's good. So tighten that back up. And you can see. That's what I mean about the handles holding on to them. There she is, folks. One side. There's the other side. What it looks like in there. Now, just put some fuel in it. Give it a crank. Give it a prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says 10, but it'll work. It'll work. Here we go. How do you restring it? We've got one string missing, one's here, so we know we're out of string really. Hit the two buttons, pop it off of there, come out with it. Well, look at that, the string just broke off in there. It had a bad piece of string. But, for sake of this video, I'm going to restring it so that you can see it being done. I'm going to take the string off of here. Kind of hate to get rid of perfectly good string, but got to make the video for you. Alright. I've got this yellow string here. It's not as tough as that string, but let me get myself not that much of it. So I know the middle's here, so I'm going to hold on to that. I'm going to cut the other end with this. That's cut. Now back to where we know the middle is. We can line it up. Line it up. Get this thing. Again, it's got an arrow. So you go to this part right here, hook it in, follow the arrow. Literally, I can do both sides at one time. Alright. Now, there's little notches right here. If I done the one side, I could notch that side first and then do the second one if I wanted to do it that way, one at a time. Let me show you. Gonna notch it in there so that'll hold it. And then this one has to go around to the other side to go out. Alright? So now we're in there. This one's on the bottom. Put it back in there, run it through the hole there. Put it back in there. Hold it down. Make sure that it doesn't turn. So you're holding it down. It can only turn a little bit. Then you can undo that part, put it through the hole, and you're good to go. Now make sure that you fight it to where you're actually holding it. When you put it in here, line it up with the notches with this. That was hooked. This one is not. Push a little more, it's hooked, and there it is. Now this one's short, but as soon as you bump it, it's going to cut it.